Surprise here again, surprise your name. Welcome to my empty apartment. So please come in. So here is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Love it. Enough cabinets is given. And here is going to be my workspace. My office table and chair is going to be here. I'm going to be creating content here and all of that. And here is going to be my room. And I have a big ass wardrobe. Show that wardrobe is a fully fitted wardrobe. Very big. There is no clothes I have that I will not use this one to enter. So here is my wardrobe. And this is my bathroom. You know, still gonna get it clean soon. This is how it looks. And here is my balcony. So yeah, that's my new empty apartment. So I hope you love it like I do. I'm going to start moving soon and see my stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching. So as I show you guys the night view of my place, I just finished cleaning. All the people I called to help me clean, everybody disappointed me, and I had to clean this big ass house alone. Oh my god, all my body was aching me. I scrubbed the floors, soap, water. After sweeping, I'll scrub the floor, then mop. Oh my god, I was regretting my action like mad. I was like, who sent me? Who sent me? Who sent me? I should have just, found somebody else again and again. But I was already ready to move in. And I told you guys that like my rent was about to expire, so I just had to do what I had to do so I can move in. So I was just showing you guys how everywhere looks when I was done cleaning. And it looked pretty decent. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next one. Bye.